Hello guys and welcome back to our math tutorial series. Today we are going to look at union and intersection of sets and Venn diagrams. First up, what is a union of a set? So a union of a set is kind of like adding two sets together. So right here we have set A and set B. So set A has number 2, number 3, number 4, number 8, and number 10, whilst set B has 2, 5, 8, 10, and 31. So a set is just anything can be inside of it, like numbers, pizza, pillows, anything. But there are some rules which we'll get into on another video. And now, what do we have right here? This is the union of set symbol, which is kind of like a U. So it's written down like this. This is the A union B. That's the union of a set. Kind of like an addition symbol, like this, A plus B. And then, yeah. So the union of a set can be derived by this. If you have a duplicate, write it as only one number. So right here we have 2 and 2. So you only put 1, 2 in the answer. And then now just list all of them, all the remaining numbers. Again, if you find a duplicate, just write down 1, like 8 and 10 right here. You can see they are duplicates, so you only put one of each number. So I have right here 3, 4, and 5, so you put 3, 4, and 5. And then final number, we have 31. So the union of set A and set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, and 31. Let's move on to the intersection of sets. Now we have right here another two sets, which is set A, 4, 8, 16, and 24. Set B is 4, 7, 16, 24, and 59. Oops, sorry. And then the symbol for the intersection is an upside down U. Now, when you think of intersection, what do you think? For me, I think it is the similarities between those two highways. You know the highways, intersections. You get it. So this is just like that. So remember, we have right here duplicates, right? From the union of sets. This, you only write down the duplicates. We have 4, 16, and 24. So again, we write it down as, right here. Let me get a different color. Upside down U. Then where's my green at? Then B equal to, remember you need this symbol, the parentheses, when you're expressing a set. We have right here 4, 16, and 24. That is the union, the intersection of set A and set B. Let's move on to a kind of like a tool that you can use to derive intersection of sets and union of sets. Both. A Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is just two circles and two yellow. Right here I have two yellow circles, and then you kind of push them together so that there's this little tiny area that is like its intersection, just like right here. So as you guys know, that's a big hint onto what this section right here will be used at. I'm gonna just erase this. Okay, so how can you use a Venn diagram to calculate the intersection and the union of sets? Well, you can use a Venn diagram by this example. So right here we have set A and set B yet again. We have set A for 3, 4, 5, and 7. Set B for 2, 4, 5, and 8. So now we have set A. What are the numbers that are unique to set A? We have right here 3 and 7. So we put right here 3 and then 7. What about B? What are the unique numbers in set B? So unique meaning it's only findable in that set. Right here we have 2 and then 8. So write it down. And then the remaining numbers is the duplicates from before the intersection of set. So as you guys know, I called this the intersection right earlier. And then the intersection is 4 and 5. So if you add up this right here, this section, okay, I'm gonna use a different color pen. Let's use this. If this plus this, that is gonna be the union of sets, the adding of the two sets. Right here, this is the union of sets. And then right here in the middle will be the intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.